Hello children, welcome to today's class. So whatever I given homework in previous classes, hope everyone is completed. I already told you, so those exercises given directly, don't go through the answer. If you don't know the correct answer, go through the lesson, read completely once lesson, afterwards only you can write the answer. Okay, I told you that exercise you have to write in the notebook, isn't it? Next, hope everyone is completed that. Then once you completed that your work, whatever is given, you have to send the photo to my personal number. Every time I used to say, but most of them you did not send. So those who did not send till, you must send it. After completing your work, you have to send to me. Okay. Yes. So last class we completed our lesson latitudes and longitudes, isn't it, children? So today's class we start a new lesson. Before going through the lesson, so once again we'll revise with whatever we discussed in the bridge course as well as in the previous class. So whatever we discussed in the bridge course as well as in the lesson, in the previous lesson, related to the earth. Most, isn't it? The lesson is related to the earth. First lesson we discussed about the planet earth. Next comes latitudes, longitude. It is also related to the earth, isn't it? And also in the bridge course we discussed about the earth. You know children, you already studied from the in the third standard itself or in the second standard, hope. Earth is something special. Why earth is something special? You know that earth is the only one planet where we can find the living things, isn't it? So if the living things are there, what they need to live on this earth? What they need, children? They need air, water, food and others, isn't it? These things, these three things are very necessary to live on this earth. These three things are here, we will get, isn't it? Air, water and food. Without these three we can't live in this earth. These three things we can see only on one planet, that is in the earth. That's why we can say the earth is something special. It made it specially, isn't it, children? Yes. So today's class we discussed about this same thing, that about the weather and climate. What is weather? What is climate? And what are the difference you can find from these two? And the factors influence on the weather as well as climate. So these things we are learning from these lessons. Okay children? So what is that? Weather, and today's lesson is weather and climate. So normally we are using these two words, isn't this? Weather. What is the weather? You can, if you watch the news, the weather report will be, they will say the weather report at last end of the news, isn't it? Today's weather, what was that? And climate also, we can say climate is varying. What about the climate? So now we have to know about the difference between weather as well as climate. Whether the weather is remaining the many days, more means 3 or 4 months or for a long period, or the climate, how the climate is vary from the weather. Okay children, let us start. So before going through that, open your textbook, page number 257, and while I am taking the lesson, if you can, don't keep the textbook. When I say, you can open. Okay, now just open it once and see page number 257. they given, let's begin, that tick the boxes that best describe the weather today. So some words are given related to the weather. What you have to do, children, here, the today's weather, what you can find, how is the weather today, weather condition. Go outside and look at one's weather and you can tick that, whether it is hot, warm, cold, but all the words are very easy, you know that. Okay, this is not what we can say, the word which you do not know. You know this, normally we are using this word, isn't it? Hot, warm, cold, cloudy, clear, partly cloudy, it's a full or partially we can say. Rainy, dry, snowy, windy, calm or stormy. Hope everyone understood about the meaning of these words. So here no need to find the meaning of this word. You have to find the weather condition of this today's weather conditions. Go outside, see once and tick those boxes. You can find today's weather condition. Okay, children? Yes. So now let us move through that weather and climate. So first we start from the weather. What is weather and what are the factors that influence on weather? Okay, children? The earth is surrounded by air. I already told you before starting the lesson. I told you earth is the only one planet where we can see the air, water and food. So air is the first and foremost thing. Without the air we can't breathe, isn't it? Without air we can't breathe. So earth is surrounded by air, isn't it, children? So layer of air, or we can say atmosphere, layer of air or atmosphere. Earth is surrounded by layer of air, or we can say that atmosphere. Earth is surrounded by layer of air or atmosphere. So weather is what is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a certain time. Okay, children? Weather is not remaining for a long time. It is a place, the certain time, it remains a certain time. Weather is the condition all I told you that whatever that the words are given in the boxes, that is shows the weather condition of that particular day. Sometime it 1 or 2, 3 days, not more than that. Weather is not remaining that more than 3 days. One day, or it will go and then next day we can say another condition, isn't it? So it will not remain for a long time. A particular or certain time. Weather is the condition of an atmosphere of a place at a certain time. It is influenced by many factors. Factors influenced, I think, understood. I'll write here what is weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere condition of atmosphere of a place at a certain time. Okay, children, hope you understood. What is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a certain time. Okay, next we go through the factors influence on weather. Which are those factors that influence on weather? factors influence on weather. Factors influence on weather such as sunshine, then temperature, humidity, and winds. So these are the factors that influence on weather. First, sunshine, okay, sunlight. Then the hot, very hot. If there is no rain, no cloud, you can see the sunshine. It's a very hot condition. You can see the temperature, very hot, we can high temperature or low, isn't it? Like, then humidity means water vapor or moisture in the air, water vapor in the air. And winds, okay, it's a heavy wind, sometimes blowing heavy wind, sometimes it's low. These all factors influence on the weather. Okay, keep in the mind, children, factors influence on weather is sunshine, temperature, humidity as well as winds. These factors cause the weather to vary at different times of day. Okay, these factors are varies. These are sometimes no sunshine, very cloudy, isn't it? For a few seconds or few minutes there's a hot or sunshine. Next you can see cloudy. Okay, so what you have to do, observe each day the weather condition. Each days you can see the variation on weather, isn't it? So they already mentioned that these factors cause the weather to vary at different times of day. Weather also changes from season to season. Okay, this is not related to 1 day or 2 days, it is related to the season to season. The weather condition will change. Okay, children, next goes to the season. So what do you mean by season? A period of 3 months to or 4 months when the weather remains more or less the same is called season. So I'll write next. So I hope you understood about the factors influence on weather. Next we go through the what is season? What is season? A period of 3 to 4 months. 3 to 4 months when the weather remains more or less the same is called a season. Okay, this is also real season also. Weather will change not only 1 day or 2 day, it changes season to season. So what do you mean by season? A period of 3 to 4 months when the weather remains more or less the same. There is no changes we can see in the 4 or 3 months, the same weather we can see. That is called the season. Okay. So I already before I told you that it will not remain it will not remain for 1 or 2 days. It it will remain, see, you can see here 3 or 4 months. Okay, a certain time, okay, certain period of time the weather remains same. Okay, not for a long time, means one year, 2 year, a certain period of time, or 3 or 4 months. You can see here in the season a period of 3 to 4 months when the weather remains more or less the same. So I'll explain while we go through the seasons. Okay, how that remains same, weather remains same, is called a season. So in India, we divide season into 3. You know, they already studied in the lower class itself, isn't it, children? What are they? Summer season, winter season, and rainy, isn't it? Seasons. So in India, the seasons are divided into 3. Summer, second one winter, third one rain. These are the 3 main seasons we can see in India, or winter or rainy, or we can say monsoon, isn't it? Monsoon season, rainy or monsoon. These are the 3 major seasons of India. Not only in India, all the countries we can see the seasons, but in India, seasons are divided into these 3 major seasons. Okay, major seasons are these 3: summer, winter, rainy, or monsoon. You know, children. So these seasons, the occupation, farming, or food, dress style, all changes season to season, isn't it, children? So what the food we eat in the summer season, that we can't, sometime we'll, but it is different, we can prepare the different, isn't it? Summer season we like to eat very cold because it's a climate, weather is too hot, with sunshine, isn't it? So we like to eat very cold. We did not like to eat very hot food. Most we have to drink juice, ice creams. Children used to prefer ice creams, isn't it? So if you go to the winter season, we will not prefer for the cold. We will prefer the hot things. And dress style also change. Summer season we wear the cotton, so very fit for that season. Winter season, you know that what type of sweaters we are using, sweaters to keep our body warm. And also the season to season the occupation will change. Then because in the summer season, you know, we are suffering from the scarcity of water. Everywhere we can, rivers are dry up, no rain, so no water. So in that time, what the occupation will do? In the less water, the farmers, they will prepare what type of crops they will grow. You know that. So each seasons, our habits also, it's differ from season to season. In the summer, winter, rainy or monsoon season. Isn't it, children? So occupations like farming, fishing and mining are influenced by seasons. Fishing, farming and mining are influenced from these seasons. This is about the weather. I think, hope everyone is understood about weather. Weather is remaining in a certain time, and what are the factors influence on the weather? What are they? Sunshine, humidity, temperature, wind, isn't it? Then the seasons are the major 3 seasons. Before that we discuss what is season. Season is a period of 3 to 4 months when the weather remains same more or less more or less the same is called season. So India is divided into three major seasons. They are summer, winter, rainy and monsoon. And I told you the fishing, farming and mining are influenced from the season. It depends on the seasons. Okay, season to season it will varies. Next we go through the climate. Okay children, hope everyone understood about the weather. Now let us we move through the climate. What is climate? Climate is the average of the weather conditions of a particular area over a long period of time. See how the difference weather and the climate. What is climate? Climate is the average of the weather. I will write here climate. Climate is the average of the weather, average of the weather conditions of a particular area. Over a long period of time. Over a long period of time is called climate. So what is climate? Climate is the average of the weather. Average of the weather conditions of a particular area. It is depend on the particular area over a long period of time. So climate is remaining for a long period of time. It is not for 1 year, 2 years like that. Not for 3 to 4 months or 1 or 2 days. It will remain for a long period of time in a particular area. Different parts of the world is a fixed, okay, it's fixed on the particular area. Different parts of the world experience different types of climate. You can understand. So some areas if you go through the world, some area and the you can see that very hot throughout the year. It's very hot. There is less rainfall. Okay. So next. Remaining areas, remaining part of countries we can see very cold. It remains 2 or 3 years or still, okay, very cold. Some places very hot, like that. So different parts of the world experience different climate, different types of climate. Some places are hot, I already explained that. Some places are hot and wet throughout the year. Okay, hot and wet throughout the year. Others can be dry and cold. Okay, if you take the Africa, it's very hot and dry area because less rainfall. And you can say take the desert. What is the climate of in the desert? I already explained. It's in hot and wet. Dry climate. The reason is the scarcity of water, less rainfall. So it will still remains as it is. There is no changes at all. Okay, so different types of different parts of the world, the climate is different, and some places are covered with the snow all year round. Some places are covered. For example, I told you North Pole as well as South Pole, the polar regions throughout the year is covered with the snow. So this is about the climate. So what we have to do? So once again explain about the climate. Climate is the average of the weather conditions of a particular area over a long period of time. Climate is different parts of the world. We can see the different types of climate. Some places are very hot and wet throughout the year. Some places are very cold throughout the year. Some places are covered with the snow throughout the year. It depends on that particular country all through the world. Okay, so hope you understood. Weather is not remaining for a long year, such only 3 to 4 months or 3-4 days, but climate is depend on that particular area and it remains for a long time. It's average of a weather, and keep in the mind, it's average of the weather conditions of a particular area over a long period of time. Next, let's see that open your textbook, children, once again, and page number 258, and see here the world is divided, world map. They given the picture of world map there, is divided into different climatic regions on the basis of the climatic condition. On the basis of the climatic condition of that particular area, they use their keys there, symbols or keys they were used. According to that, you can identify what is the climatic condition of that particular place. Okay, children, so go through that, you can clearly understand. So the color, different colors are used for the different climatic condition of the area. Once just read it, you can clearly understand. Those North America, South America, the different continents, 7 continents are given there, and what are the climatic condition of those continents in some countries or some areas. They mentioned some areas. So what are the very hot, those climatic conditions are given here, very hot and wet, hot and wet area, very hot and wet. So they're the hot and wet means medium, we can say. Very hot and dry, cool and wet, cool and dry, warm and wet, very cold, and Mediterranean. So these are the some of the climatic condition of the area throughout the world there given. Once go through that. So I'll explain briefly in the about that climatic regions in the next class. Okay, children, hope everyone cleared about today's class. Today's we just discussed about what is weather and factors influence on weather as well as what is climate. So next class we discuss the factors influence on climate as well as the different climatic regions. Okay, children, hope everyone is understood. So today's class, what you have to do, whatever the aspects we discussed today, only what is weather, what are the factors influence on weather. So read page number 257 as well as 58 that go through the world is divided into different climatic region, that world map. Okay, briefly I'll explain in the next class. Hope everyone understood about this class. Okay, so read the lesson, what we discussed today's class, read it once again. Okay, if you did not understand anything, message me which aspects you did not understand. Okay, and complete the work given. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.